Hey everyone, I'm James Ronquillo, a grade 8 student in FMSOL. Today my topic is about the lungs. What the lungs do, why it is important, and what can we do to keep our lungs healthy. First, what is the lungs? The lungs is an organ in the human body, and it serves to pump oxygen throughout the whole body. Without the lungs, we would not even be alive today, which is why it's incredibly important that we take care of these lungs. Within the time that you have watched this video, you have breathed about 12 to 16 times. And in that breath and time, you have already pumped, the lungs have already pumped a lot of oxygen throughout your body, which allows it to function right now. Now, what can we do to protect our lungs? Firstly, do regular exercise. You may not know it, but exercise actually allows the lungs to clear up faster, which is why it is very important that we always have a good exercise routine. That way, it exercises the lungs, that we are able to have good breathing every time. Number two, stay away from polluted air. Secondhand smoking, as well as diesel or gas from outside, are all air pollution. So, as much as possible, we must stay away from these types of air. And last but not least, is to breathe clean and fresh air. If it is possible, put a plant in your house. Plants are an amazing source of oxygen, and it allows the lungs to function happily and healthily. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.